Hello everyone. So we have an exciting drink today. Exciting for me because it's a bourbon drink and I am a bourbon lover. So no, really, I am. So I normally look for ways of mixing my bourbon. There's not much that you can do, but there are some. There's quite a few drinks that I like, and this is actually one of my favorite ones because it includes mint, and I love mint. If you're not a fan of mint, then this might not be for you. This one's called the Stone Fence, and we're gonna start with a tall glass. So this is a really tall glass. What I like to do is put some mint leaves in the bottom of this glass and muddle them, but my muddler is not that big, so I'm gonna use this spoon. For this recipe, so you need mint leaves, obviously. You need Angostura bitters. You're gonna need also a cider, like a sparkling cider. And I like this one. This is a European style cider made by Stella Artois. And for bourbon, I'm using Buffalo Trace. This is my go-to. I drink this with like anything, any time of the day. I love it, I love it. So that's what I'm using for this. So I am kind of smashing this mint leaves with a little bit of bourbon so it can release all those minty oils and flavors and aroma, and it's so yummy. So the next thing that I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna put some ice in there. You need to fill it with ice all the way up because it's supposed to be a very refreshing drink. It was almost 100 degrees here in California today. Right now it's 97 and it's 7 p.m. So I don't want just a straight bourbon. I'm gonna get too hot, so this will be perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and add Angostura bitters. Normally it comes in a big little bottle, but I have this one and it's got a dropper, which I like. But if you have the bottle, then you just need a couple of dashes. That's one dash, and this is another dash. And then I'm gonna do, where's my trigger? I don't see it over here, but I'm gonna just eyeball it. You're gonna use 1.5 ounces of bourbon. That looks about right. And then your cider is gonna go on top, and this is just gonna be awesome. You just fill it up all the way to the top. I'm gonna do this slowly. I don't want so much bubble. This is gonna be so nice. And my bar spoon, it's gonna help me mix it just a little bit.